What's up? How you doing? Here we are again tonight. Gonna make steaks. That's a ribeye. This ribeye measures in at 2 inches thick, so that's nice and thick, 2 inches. And I got some New York strip over there. Got New York strip. These also measure at 2 inches. 2 inches. Very nice looking steaks. And we're gonna put salt, pepper, maybe a little bit of oregano, maybe a little bit of garlic powder, maybe. So, pound and a half, 3 steaks, makes a good meal. Plus I have some baked potatoes inside, salad, and corn on the cob. And I did it a special way. Boiled it in 3 parts water, 1 part milk, and half a stick of butter. Boil it for 1 hour. And then we're gonna add some other ingredients on top. Little spicy stuff, and then we're gonna eat it. So very excited about that. And tonight we're gonna try a brand new beer. Never had this before. It's called Bourbon Country Brand Stout. Bourbon Country Brand Stout, right there. And I have poured it in the glass already. It's very dark. Smells very good, very nice. Never had this before. I only bought one, so. Very rich, tastes like a stout. I don't want to say chocolatey, but I want to say chocolatey tasting. There's a bittersweet flavor in there. I don't know what that is. Stout. But overall, I highly recommend it. It's very good. That's a wimpy car going by trying to sound tough. That is not a... Go change your muffler. Yeah, it doesn't taste like a beer, but it shouldn't. It's a stout. But it doesn't taste like a Guinness either. But kind of close, but not exactly. Yeah, it's not bad. I don't know what country this is from. Not enough light out here. Alright, so I've been looking here, and it says Goose Island. I don't know where that is. I gotta look that up. The other thing I noticed, they age this in bourbon barrels. So this sits in bourbon barrels for a few years, and then we try it out. But it does have chocolatey flavor, vanilla, toffee, taffy, whatever, and a couple other items which I can't really see in the dark here. But it's a pretty good beer. It doesn't taste like a beer. Like I said, it's a stout. So 2007, I've been waiting since 2007 for the James Webb telescope to go up. Every year there's a delay, something's wrong. But this time, December 24th, Christmas Eve 2021, James Webb telescope will launch, hopefully. I'm very excited. I'm a big fan of science, big fan of the universe. And this telescope is going to go to the L2 section of our solar system. That's where the Earth and the Sun have the exact gravitational pull, so it'll keep it in that orbit. And then a shield has to go up, the size of a tennis court, has to open up to protect it from the sun. And then we're in business. If all that happens, I think it takes like 6 months for all this to happen. Because 1.2 million miles from here is where the orbit is. That's going to take a while to get there, but once it's there, the images that are going to come back and the answers that we're going to get from this thing are going to be fascinating. It's going to rewrite the understanding of our universe. I'm very fascinated with anything that has to do with the universe, especially new discoveries. I know the old stuff, you know, is old to me now, but I'm interested in the new information that's going to come from Webb. So anyway, hopefully it launches. Watch for it, December 24th, which is in a few days. And like I said, this thing is going to answer a lot of questions. A lot of questions.